Ayan guys, we're here with Mr. International Philippines 2023 with Austin Cabatana. Ayan. If you guys have some question, don't forget to comment down and we'll be reading that and then Austin will answer that, guys.
And messages for Austin.
Yes.
The finals will be on Friday.
Yes. And we are live now here at Country Club, Baguio Country Club.
Ayan. So, questions na guys. Send a questions for Austin. Ayan. Ang question daw ano?
Sige, Austin, batiin mo muna yung mga fans and supporters mo.
Hi guys! Kumusta kayo? I hope you're doing well. Sana makita ko kayo sa 20.
Ayan.
And promote mo yung tickets and as well as
Yes, we will be having free admission and VIP for 2,500. But most of the admission is free. Come join us.
Ayan. Sandy says good luck. Sandy Ramos. Cutie daw sabi ni Stephanie. And shout out daw from Jeff Lopez daw. Say hello to Jeff.
Hi Jeff Lopez.
Ayan. Hi idol daw from Adam Joshua.
Ayan. And from Rudy Reponte. Hi, good luck daw.
Thank you, thank you.
Sino daw ang pinaka-close mo na candidate sa lahat ng candidates? Sabi ni Angel Jade.
Si
Malaysia.
Si Malaysia. Sino daw ang showbiz crush mo? Sabi ni June Okatopas.
I
Yan.
just want to focus on the pageant right now and be myself. Enjoy it.
Oh, so walang showbiz crush.
Walang showbiz
Ay,
crush
baka
mo.
maano kasi. Oo. Baka mamain siya.
wala dito eh. Nasa
Oo. Killer smile ka
South.
daw,
Eh,
sabi ni Arca Dennis. Ayan.
And sabi ni Roland De Lima, Mangundayaw, good luck Austin Cabatana.
Thank you.
Please don't forget to share our live guys ha.
Laban lang daw, sabi ni Dowin. Ayan. Mananalo ka daw, sabi ni Jen.
Thank you.
Ayan. Hi daw kay sabi ni Christian.
Hi Christian.
Ayan. Winner na daw, sabi ni Jeff. Oh my God, ang dami mong fans.
Pa-shoutout daw sabi ni Darlene Charles Moises.
Hi darling Charles Marces.
Ayan.
Miss Summer, our Mrs. Mrs. International winner to si Summer. Hi daw.
Hi Summer.
Ayan.
Yan may question.
What's your advocacy and what makes you going every day? Yan.
My focus is proper education for the autistic children, for underprivileged families in Philippines.
Ayan.
And what motivates me every day in my life is the family and the supporters that I have behind me and how much I want to improve on myself.
Ayan. Kaninong candidate ka daw mahihirapan?
There are always tough challenges and candidates right here. And everyone's telling me Spain is the top candidate, but I think there's Jamaica or other like Cuba.
Ngiting tagumpay ka na daw. How does it feel daw na ikaw yung pinakamatangkad sa grupo?
I feel like Wayne Weathers taas.
Kung bibigyan ka ng chance, Austin, na makahawak or yung sa top 2, sinong bet mo?
Top 2. I think everyone deserves a spot in the finals. It's just how we perform. But overall, everyone deserves to be a winner.
Ayan, si Miss Summer, nagkasama na daw kayo sa charity sa Nazarineville.
Oo.
Sabi ni Miss Summer, ayan. Hi Austin daw, supporting you from Dubai daw. Ayan.
Ivy.
Ayan.
Ivy.
Tapos, hi Austin, si Rod Abelido. Ayan.
Ayan, sabi ni Charmaine Casquero, good luck Austin from Saipan, USA.
Thank you.
Ano daw advantage mo among other candidates?
I think the height is not an advantage right now, but I believe that my personality and how I welcome people is my advantage. Now it's mine.
Ayan, Kenneth Kabawatan, wow! Si Kenneth, good luck daw Austin. Ayan. Si Kenneth is from Toledo Med, nag-work yan.
Wow.
Ayan.
And sabi naman ni Robin De La Cruz, pogi mo talaga. Wow.
Thank you.
Hi mo daw yung yung kamukha mo daw, si Donnie. Ayan.
Hi Donnie, kapatid, kumusta ka na?
Sabi ni Precious Gisalva, Austin, bring home the crown.
Yes, laban tayo. Laban.
Say hello to JC from Palawan. Good luck daw sa'yo.
Hi, JC. From Palawan.
Ayan.
Thank you so much.
Charming mo daw, sabi ni Julius.
Sabi naman ni Ara Varde, hello daw sabi ni Casey Ann Rodriguez Guevara.
Hi, guys. Thank you so much.
Ayan. Arjo says, ang laki naman talaga ng chance manalo ni Austin. Laban lang sa finals. Good luck.
Yes, thank you. Laban Philippines.
Ang pogi mo daw, sabi ni Ricardito Hiral.
Thank you.
And good luck from Romel Solero. Ayan. Dami naman.
Oo. Pogi ni Austin, di nakakasawa sabi ni Jamora Enrico.
Ayan. Si Arca Dennis watching from Angeles City, Pampanga.
Hi, you know.
And Raiz Ali watching from Saudi Arabia. We are rooting for you, luck and determination po. Pa-shout out from Raiz Ali.
I shout out kay Sabrina Weld, Saudi Arabia.
Si Masi from Sorsogon. Love and support ka namin from the Sorsogon Gay Society.
Thank you
Ayan.
guys. Thank you so much.
And
Dami.
sabi naman ni Bon Eric Abaga, break a leg from San Juan, La Union.
Thank you. Thank you.
Ayan, hi daw sabi ni CK Arcilia. Siya daw ang admin ng Hot Men Philippines.
Ay, wow, ha?
So, pinipicture ka daw niya. Good luck
Yeah,
daw.
Thank you so much.
Wow. Sabi naman dito ni Orlando Lanuza, literal na tall, dark, handsome.
Ayan. I-crown na daw yan, sabi ni Ray Hagos. Ayan.
Dags Ronnie, the Gook, may laban yung panlaban natin.
Oh. So sabi ni may question pa daw si Adam. What quality should a title holder have daw?
The commitment of PNP.
Wow. So short and sweet answer, di ba?
Yes.
Yeah.
And sabi naman ni Benedict Malabanan Heron, he is so handsome. Good luck.
Thank you.
Ayun, ang dami pala. From Davao del Sur, si Ronnie. You're a winner, Austin daw.
Thank you.
Ang daming fans ni Austin, no?
Oh.
Sabi din ni Soharto Sanduyogan, good luck, Kuya Austin, from Tacorong City, Sultan Kudarat. Austin for the win.
Yes.
Sure win na to. Good luck, Austin. We are rooting for you from Nasugbu, Batangas, from Rap.
Yes.
Megalion Lopez. Ayan.
And sabi ni Rai Galvez, he deserve to bring the crown. Good luck from Qatar.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Dami. Ang dami, no?
And also watching from Toyota Arabia and group of company, Jake Mitch.
Hi, Jake Mitch.
Toyota Saudi Arabia yun. Yan, oh.
Sabi ni Hamora, mas gwapo pa kay Donnie.
Ano ba naman si Joe? Ben Dax daw si Mr. PH from Macau. Award.
Dax yung yung paa niya.
Dax yung paa niya.
Anong size ng paa mo,
Anong
Austin?
size ng paa?
Size 15.
Oh my G!
Dax nga yung paa. Dax yung paa niya, guys. Oo, grabe. Oo. Love you, Austin. Makukuha mo daw yung crown, sabi ni Joshua.
Thank you.
Hi daw from Texas, USA, si Raymond De Leon.
Texas.
Oh.
Doing well.
Pakakilala ka kasi Texas.
Texas. Austin, Texas.
Oo, yan.
Sabi naman ni Steven Mark Villesa Parado, hello po, I'm rooting for you. Good luck and God bless.
Thank you so much.
Oh, ang dami. Austin for the win. He's tall and handsome. Patrick Art. Yan.
Ayan, sabi naman ni Raiz Ali, Sir Austin, nangangamoy corona, best of luck, pinakamatangkad sa lahat. Malaking impact yun.
Ayan. From North Cotabato, panalo na tayo. From Jojo Sorabilia, Hinon. Ayan.
Thank you so much.
Good luck daw, sabi ni Mark Anthony. Bring home the bacon. Yan.
How to be you po, sabi ni Dags Ronnie, the Gook.
Magdasal ka lang, pati palagi tayong maging thankful sa Panginoon.
Patrick from New Zealand daw. Watching daw siya. Ayan.
And from James, good luck Austin, bring home the crown, love lots from Bulacan here.
Thank you.
Dami yan.
We love you Austin, good luck watching from Marinduque, from Byron Meneses Magturo.
Ayan. Si RJ Loyola, very good luck daw. Prayers for your win.
Thank you.
Ayan. From Bicol, go for the win.
Yes, not bad.
From Jeddah, KSA, good luck daw, Austin. Ayan.
Ayan, shout out daw po kay Austin, sabi ni Shane Morales Garcia.
Hi, Shane Morales.
Ayan. Si Jonathan Niro ng Sambales, good luck daw, Austin. Yan.
Ayan, comment naman ni Hamora Enrico, si Austin yung young and fresh na contestant natin ever.
Ay. Nico from Cebu, watching live from Cebu. Good luck, Austin. Yan.
Ayan, Sir Austin, basta wag na wag kalimutan, umawra sa final like Catriona Gray, make something different walk. Sabi ni Raiz Ali.
Si Benjo Buensalida, good luck daw, Austin.
Yes, thank you.
Ayan.
Sabi ni Sir Ryan Guanzon, good luck Austin Kabatana.
Hi, Sir Ryan. Thank you so much.
Renz Bientura from Minalin, Pampanga, good luck.
Hi, thank you. Ay, malalim.
Ayan, Ralph Chan, Austin straight to the crown, God
May
bless.
dumidedma ka daw. Dinededma mo daw si Eric.
Wala.
Hi ka daw sa kanya. Yan daw.
Ayan, ipagdadasal kita sa Baclaran, Austin, sabi ni Hamora Enrico.
Ayan.
Richard Pineda, shout out from California.
Oh, hi, Richard.
Sabi ni Osa from Taguig City, pa-shout out, Lods, good luck.
Thank you. Shout out sa'yo. Thank you
Sabi
so much.
naman ni Sairi Quaresma, good luck po, sana makuha ang corona.
Yes, yes.
Anton from Taiwan daw, good luck daw, kababayan. Ayan.
From Digna Gray, good luck from Northern Samar. Wow.
When ang final? The final will be on October 20 at Baguio Country Club. Ayan.
Ayan.
Sedmark from Davao City. Win na yan si Austin. Ayan.
Ayan, pa-shout out daw kay Austin from Plaridel, Bulacan. Comment from James RB.
Hi, James RB. From Bogota.
Super handsome.
Thank you.
From Antique, si Gadiel. Good luck daw.
And Jeps Mendoza is watching from MAPH Batangas. Good luck, Austin.
Thank you, thank you.
Ayan, sabi ni Fren Venancio, Laban Austin Kabatana. Ayan. EJ Olivo, Go 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 Philippines, bring home the
Grabe yung
crown.
question ni
From Type
Namasa.
Saudi.
Sinong candidate ang nagagopuan siya at nung unang kita pa lang niya? Sinong candidate daw?
Basta nagwapo sila. They're distinctively handsome. Lahat kami, kaya nandito kami na yun.
Yan. Si Art from Ilocos Norte, good luck daw.
Thank you, thank you.
Ayan, sabi ni Sir Ryan Guanzon, sana makarating ako dyan sa 20. Go na, sir!
Tara na.
Malapit ka lang, Sir
Oh, malapit ka
Ryan.
lang, Sir Ryan. Push na.
Oo, come na. Madami dito. Sa Baguio. Oo, come na, come na.
Sino daw yung celebrity crush mo? Sabi ni Hamora.
Ayaw nga niya
Enrico.
sagutin.
Ayaw.
I
Oo.
wanna focus on this pageant muna. I'll just wait to the organization.
From Bahrain, si Elise Gonzalez. Good luck, Lods.
Thank
Yan.
you, thank you, thank you so much.
Ayan, from Josefa Banwa, good luck from Dumaguete.
Wait, thank you, thank you.
Ayan.
From Jeddah, J-Lo what's this? Onit Nilot. Ayan. Pa-shout out daw.
Shout out kay J-Lo.
O, J-Lo na lang.
Sabi ano daw? Can you say your name, Austin?
From Los Angeles. Ay, saan ba?
From Los Angeles,
Hey,
California.
wow, West Side. I'm Austin Kabatana. You're Mr. International Philippines 2023.
Ayan.
And then shout out from Car Cebu. Sana makuha mo ang Corona, Idol Austin. From Pables Repuela, Mangyao.
Hi, Cargar.
Ayan, sabi ni Clip ay... Ano ba sabi ni Clip? Parang si Richard Gomez.
Ay,
Oo,
bo.
ikaw daw
Ay,
yan.
bago yun ha. Di na sa dami.
Oo.
Good luck, Idol from Camarines Sur. Message from Julian Montañez.
Ayan. Si Carlo from Cebu. Good luck, Idol.
Thank you, thank
Si- yan.
Ayan. Juan Pablo Evangelista Isip, good luck from Guatemala.
Ay, Guatemala. Oh,
Talaga.
wow.
OFW from Guatemala.
you, thank you.
Good luck, Idol Austin. Ilocandias, love you so much. From Greta Sibayan.
Thank you, guys.
Ito, ay comment from Owen de Guzman Castillon. Donnie Pangilinan. Wow.
Oo nga. Ayan. Dami nila.
Go Austin from Parañaque City. Message from Mike Gallego.
Parañaque City. Thank you, thank you.
Baka guys may mga question kayo kay Austin, you can comment down below. Isang flying kiss naman from Austin.
Ayan, isang magaling na director ng Nueva Ecija, si Sir Adrian. How does it feel kapag sinasabing kamukha mo daw si Donnie Pangilinan?
It's a privilege and a blessing at the same time. So I just accept it and make the best out of it. But I'm Austin Kapatan. That's the name that you should remember.
Ayan, si Josa Pascua, hi ka daw. Banggitin mo daw yung pangalan na Josa Pascua.
Hi, Jota
Pascua, ayan.
Ayan, sabi naman dito ni Henry M. Arimas Jr. Hello, Austin is my bet to win watching over from Thailand.
Ay, Thailand!
Sawadi ka.
Sawadi ka. Bongga naman. Daming fans, di ba?
Ayan, Fafa Austin, pa-shoutout daw si MJ Golondrina from Dags Ronnie Dagook.
I am Jacob Adrian.
Ayan.
Ayan, grabe.
Good luck, Mr. Philippines from Hilary Cordova.
Bye, thank you, Larry.
Praying for the win, Austin from Tots Ramsey.
Thank you, Tots.
Ayan, siguro your message na lang to everyone that are supporting you.
Yes, thank you so much guys sa pag-support sa akin. Unfortunately, things happen so very little. But please continue us until the last show, which is October 20th. I hope I can see you guys there and hope you guys can watch it live on the 20th. Thank you guys.
Wow, bonggang-bongga. Ang dami pa sana mga comments, no? Ayan, pa-shoutout daw birthday ni City Plang.
Happy birthday, City Plan. I wish you the best. More blessed to come.
Ayan. From Michael Prado, good luck, bro.
Ayan, si Carla from Dubai, good luck daw.
Thank you, Carla.
Ayan.
Ayan. Bonggang-bongga. Wala bang mga question, guys? Ay, nakakakilig yung voice. Good luck and God bless Austin. From Ems Francisco Diaz Bailon.
Thank you.
Ayan, good luck na. Babay na, mag-ano na siya, magre-rehearsals na siya.
Magre-rehearsals na siya, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to share and support Austin Cabatana, moral support, and ano ba? Spiritual support.
Yeah, for the finals.
For the finals.
Ayan. Thank you. Dami nanonood.
Nakakaloka.
Sana makabalik sa SK. Sino?
Anong SK? Anong SK?
Award!
Anong SK?
Anong SK? Ayan, pa-shoutout. Last na to.
Oh.
Pa-shoutout kay John Magtanong Perocho. Ayan.
Hi, John Montano Perocho.
Okay. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.